Hello children, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here again with a beautiful story for you. The Enormous Turnip from class 3 English textbook Marigold, prescribed by NCERT. The title of the story is The Enormous Turnip. It is a story about an enormous turnip. Here, children, enormous meaning very big or huge. And turnip. Have you seen the turnip? Yes, tell me. Correct. Turnip is a vegetable. The turnip is a root vegetable with a creamy white color and a purple top. It grows under the ground. It can be eaten raw and cooked both. Its leaves also can be eaten. So it is a story of an enormous turnip about a very big or very huge turnip. So let us start our today's video. The enormous turnip. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. Children, this is a story in which an old man plants a turnip which grows so large, so big. One day, the old man decided to pull the enormous turnip, but it grows so large, enormous, that he cannot pull it up himself. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. The old man tried again and again to pull it out, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip from the ground. Then an old woman came. I want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old man. I will help you, said the old woman. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. So the old man and the old woman pulled the turnip, but it did not come out. They tried harder, but in vain. And they together still cannot pull it up. A boy came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old woman. I will help you, said the boy. The old man and the old woman were tired now. Then a boy came there. So they asked him to help them. And the boy said that he will help them to pull out the enormous turnip from the ground. The old man and the old woman and the boy pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. The boy helped them to pull out the enormous turnip, but still the turnip would not come out. Then a girl came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the boy. I will help you, said the girl. Then the boy asked the girl to help them, and the girl is ready to help them to pull out the turnip from the ground. The old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Up came the enormous turnip. We will help you to eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman and the boy and the girl. And they did. Then the old man, the old woman, and the boy and the girl together, they all tried to pull out the huge turnip, enormous turnip. And then all of a sudden the huge turnip was uprooted. They all are very happy. And then the old woman, the boy, and the girl said to the old man that they will eat the turnip together and enjoy it. Finally, they did it. Okay, children, so it is our today's story, The Enormous Turnip. So the children, only when everybody works together do they manage to pull the turnip out of the ground. So the moral of the story is that of collaboration, and that if we all work together we can do anything. Unity is strength. When we all are together we can do anything. This is the moral of the story. Now let us learn some new words from the chapter. So first new word is enormous, meaning very large in size or huge, very big. And sentence, I saw an enormous animal in the zoo. Our next word is turnip, meaning a round white root vegetable that grows under the ground. And sentence can be, we had turnip today in dinner. Our next word is old man, meaning elderly male person. And sentence can be, the old man cannot walk without a stick. Our next word is old woman, meaning elderly female person. And sentence can be, I helped an old woman yesterday. Our next word is pulled, meaning to move in a specific direction. And sentence is, she pulled me down to sit on the chair. So children, these are the new words from the chapter The Enormous Turnip. Now move to the question answers of the chapter. So children, first question is, what did the old man plant? And answer is, the old man planted some turnip seeds. Our next question is, why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? And answer is, it was difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip because the turnip was enormous. It was very huge, big. Our next question is, who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? And answer is, an old woman, a boy, and a girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. Okay, children. Now move to the next question. Who ate the enormous turnip? And answer is, the old man, the old woman, the boy, and the girl ate the enormous turnip. So children, these are the question answers of the chapter. Now, can you tell me the name of some more vegetables which grow under the ground and need to be pulled out from the ground? Let us learn potato, onion, carrot, garlic. Okay children, you can think some more vegetables name which grow under the ground. Now Let us learn some opposites. Pull, push. Black, white. True, false. Right, wrong. Far, near. Good, bad. Dark, light. Up, down. Old, young. Okay children, these are the opposite words. Now move to the next question. Change the numbers. 1, many. Carrot, carrots. Turnip, turnips. Onion, onions. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Next question is circle the odd one out. So children, here first is turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, carrot and brinjal. So tell me which is odd one out, which is different. Yes, sunflower, because it is a flower and others are vegetables. Now move to the next. Cow, horse, goat, fox, kangaroo, melon. Which is odd one out? Yes, melon, because others are animals and melon is a fruit. Next is banyan, neem, people, mango, snake, apple. Here the odd one out is snake, because it's a reptile and others are trees. Next is rose, lily, sunflower, lotus, cauliflower. And answer is, yes, tell me, cauliflower, because cauliflower is a vegetables and others are flowers. And last one is peacock, parrot, lizard, crow, woodpecker. And here answer is lizard, because it is a reptile and others are birds. So children, this is the story of an enormous turnip, a very big turnip. I hope you enjoy the story and enjoy today's video. So it's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.